Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Debalina, and so today I will be creating this makeup look, and this makeup look is under 10 minutes. So let's get into the video. So you make sure that your face is well moisturized before you start any kind of makeup. So right now I will be starting my makeup with this primer. So I will be priming my face with the Color Bar primer. So the next step is foundation. So here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I will be taking a small dot of it and apply all over my face. Then with the help of my fingers, I will be spreading the foundation onto my skin. And also don't forget the neck area. So now I'm going to use some concealer onto my eyes, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I'm not doing a full coverage makeup, just like very light. I'm just going very light. So the next step is I will be using the Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact. So after I use the foundation and the concealer, I will be applying this compact powder onto my skin to lock the foundation and the concealer in its place. So next step, I will be filling up my eyebrows. So I am using this eyeshadow palette, and I will be using this black color shade to fill up my eyebrows. And I'm taking an angular brush. You can take any angular brush of your choice. So I'm going very light at the front corner and a little bit darker on the rear part of the eyebrow. So when you don't have any multiple products like bronzer, or you don't have eyebrow pencil, so then you can only use an eyeshadow palette and it will do the trick. So like I have used the black color for my eyebrows, so similarly I will be using this shade as my bronzer. So I'm taking a fluffy brush. So this is a kabuki brush, and with the help of this brush I will be taking this shade and I will be bronzing. So I'm doing it very lightly, and also I will be doing bronzing my jawline. So I'm trying to create a no makeup, like a very casual makeup daytime look. And so I will be taking a very narrow brush, and I will be also just bronzing my nose. So it just gives you a hint of color, like not much. Now let's move on to the next step. So right now this is a highlighter, and so this is like a highlighter from Miss Claire, and I will be using this shade here right in the middle to highlight, not really highlight, like to, I'll be using it as an eyeshadow. So I'm using it all over my eyelids. Yeah, so like very light sheen I can see in the mirror. So from the same highlighter, I will be using this shade, like the second last one, and I will be using it on my, so this area. So I'll be just applying it in the windshield motion. On both my eyes. Okay. So this eyeshadow actually gives a very nice rosy glow to your eyes and it looks really fresh. So the same shade I will be applying underneath my eyes. So from another eyeshadow palette, so this is a Blue Heavens Bling eyeshadow palette, and from here I am using this red color and I will be applying it a little bit as a blush at the high points of my cheek. So I'm taking this fluffy brush and like very little. So if you're a beginner, no need to buy too many products, like a single eyeshadow palette will do the trick. So you can use it as a blush, as an highlighter, as an eyeshadow, so as a bronzer, and also like eyebrow, like to shape your eyebrows, you can use the same eyeshadow palette. So I have used a very light tinge of color and so that's done. So next I will be using this kohl pencil to little bit create a smoky effect. So this is Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I will be just drawing a line. So I'll be drawing a line like 1/3 from the center to the end. And quickly just smudge it with your fingers. And the same thing I'll be doing on the other eye as well, only at the outer corner and also at the bottom lashes. So I have tried to create a little bit of a smudged like smoky look, but not really. So now with the same kajal, I will be tightlining both my eyes. So I'm tightlining on the bottom lash as well as on the upper lash line. So next I will be using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So I have just coated the upper lashes and also I'm trying to coat the bottom lashes. So my makeup is almost complete. Only I will be filling up my lips with this lipstick and this is from LA18 and the shade number is C27 Peach Impact. So this is a nude color lipstick and I just wanted to try this nude shade. So this lip shade is a little bit on the matte side. So I wanted to create a glossy look. So I'm using this Inside lip gloss, little bit only at the center. So that completes my look. So this is the look what I wanted to achieve, and so this you can create it in within 10 minutes. And so this is like a very casual daytime makeup look.